The Educational Opportunity Fund, or EOF, is a state program with many exciting benefits. The EOF program offers resources for students who may come from an academically or economically disadvantaged background. Students accepted into EOF may receive a grant up to $600 each semester and are a part of a comprehensive support system designed to help students succeed in college. Services include academic advisement, tutoring, workshops, transfer assistance, and a summer institute for select incoming freshmen. Interested candidates should complete all federal and state financial aid requirements, meet state income guidelines, complete an online EOF application for your desired campus. EOF utilizes the college-issued student email to follow up with students regarding their next steps in the admission and acceptance process. Visit our webpage for more information on the benefits of EOF. If you need to reach out to a member of the EOF team, visit the Contact Us link on our webpage. Follow EOF on Instagram at RCSJEOF for additional program information. Rowan College of South Jersey MILE, Minority Initiative on Leadership and Excellence, aims to improve the community college experience for minority students. MILE's primary focus is to improve minority retention and graduation rates, while simultaneously supporting minority students as they work to complete their educational and career goals. The RCSJ MILE program includes mentorship, transformative learning excursions, service learning projects, leadership development seminars, networking opportunities, resources for academic and professional growth, and a summer leadership institute for selected incoming cohorts. In addition, the MILE program offers a $500 book scholarship, transfer scholarship worth $1,000, graduation fee waiver, and a mentor. Interested candidates should complete the following: RCSJ admission application. Submit a completed free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA. Submit a completed MILE application and survey. Submit a personal statement essay. Submit 2 letters of academic recommendation from a school affiliate or mentor. Schedule a personal interview with the MILE administrator. MILE utilizes the college-issued student email to follow up regarding your next steps in the admission and acceptance process. Please visit our webpage for more information about the benefits of the MILE program. If you need to reach out to a member of the MILE team, please email ybrooks@rcsj.edu or kreed7@rcsj.edu or call 856-468-5000, extension 6737. We are proud to share that Rowan College of South Jersey, Cumberland campus is a Hispanic-serving institution, or HSI. Through a Title V grant, RCSJ Cumberland established the Vías hacia la Graduación, or Las Vías program. Las Vías provides advisement and support services for our Hispanic students in order to strengthen academic performance and increase the potential to graduate. Our bilingual advisors and peer mentors are here to help you succeed. Advisors and peer mentors will help you with financial aid, scholarships, majors and careers, required classes, prerequisites and electives, honors programs, transfer advisement, graduation. The Take the Lead Summer Bridge program strengthens your leadership skills. To learn more about Las Vías, visit the RCSJ Cumberland website, www.rcsj.edu/Las Vías. You may also apply from there. Vías hacia la Graduación. We look forward to meeting you soon. TRIO, Student Support Services, is a federally funded educational outreach program designed to empower students to succeed and achieve academic excellence. TRIO SSS provides resources and free services to help motivate and support students in their pursuit of a college degree. Students accepted into TRIO have the opportunity to apply for a grant aid scholarship during the fall and spring semesters. The scholarship award amount usually ranges between $700 and $750 per semester. Other free services included are academic advising, transfer assistance, tutoring, financial literacy, career development, cultural enrichment, and workshops. Interested students should meet the following criteria. Must be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. You are or will be a student enrolled in a degree or certificate program at RCSJ Cumberland campus. Must meet income criteria as established by the U.S. Department of Education. Complete a TRIO application online. Please feel free to visit our TRIO website for instructions on how to apply and for more information regarding this program.